Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss lateral and surface area of a cone. So this is the shape of the cone here. As you can see, this type of figure is called a cone. Now the top of this is a pointed shape and the base is a circle. So the base of a cone is a circle. As you can see, this is the base and the base is a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r square. We will need that information. So remember, the base of a cone is a circle, right? Now we need to know a few more things about cone. The top of the cone is called a vertex. So this is the top and this is called vertex. Now this height is called slant height. Now side to side length is called diameter for a circle, and this is the radius. Now this is the base. As I've showed you, the base is a circle, and this is the altitude, which is same as axis of a cone. So we call this as a right cone because it is making a right angle. This is making a right angle, and altitude and axis both are same. Okay, if altitude and axis both are not same, then it is called oblique cone. What do we call it? Oblique cone. Okay, good. Now let's solve some question on this. So first question we have, find the lateral area of a cone with a height of 12 meter. So has it said slant height? It said simple height is 12 meter. So when I said simple height, it means it is talking about this height. Okay, it has not given the slant height. This is your slant height, remember? And now the radius is 5 meter, so this distance is 5 meter. So first you need to find the slant height. Now it is a right cone, so it is making right angle here. And when you have a right angle triangle, now this is making this type of shape. This side is 12, this side is 5. So how you can find this? You will do 12 square plus 5 square for a right angle triangle. So this will be 13, right? Okay, now it is only asking the lateral area. So the lateral area of a cone, the lateral area L for lateral area, pi times r times L. Okay, so pi times radius is 5 and slant height is 13. So your lateral area is 65 pi and the unit is meter, so meter square. This is your lateral area of a cone. Now, how you will find the surface area for this question? So you also need to find the base area. Now the base area is represented by B, capital B, and the base area is pi r square. Why? Because base is a circle. Remember? Base is a circle. So the base area of a circle is pi r square. So pi times radius is 5, 5 square. That will give you 25 pi meter square. Now to find the surface area, you will add lateral area plus base area. Remember? So pi rl plus pi r square. And that is what written in the formula here. Pi rl plus pi r square. And now 65 pi is the lateral area plus 25 pi is the base area. You will get 65 plus 25 will give you 90 pi meter square, and that will be your answer for surface area. It has only asked for lateral area, but I solved completely for surface area here. Now let's try a different type of question. Now in this question it is asking, find the lateral area of a cone with a height of 12 meter. Okay, again the height is 12 meter and the slant height is 30 meter. Now this time this height is 30 meter. So now we don't know the radius. Okay, we will need to find the radius. So lateral area formula is pi times r times L, right? Now you need to find radius. So it is making a right angle triangle here. Now this time you have opposite 12, hypotenuse 13. So base will be 13 square minus 12 square this time, right? Pythagorean theorem. So 13 square minus 12 square will give you 5. So the radius is 5 meter. Now use the formula L, capital L is equal pi times radius is 5 and slant height is 13. This sign is small l and this sign is for capital L. Don't get confused. Now again the lateral area will be 65 pi meter square. Now if you want to solve it further, 65, then put the values of pi 3.14 and you can solve it. You will get your answer. Good. Now let's try another question. In this question, find the surface area of a cone with a diameter. Now this time it is given diameter 8 meter. So the diameter is this. Remember, for the base, the diameter is given 8 meter. So radius will be how much? Radius will be half of diameter, so 4 and 4. And the slant height of 10 meter. The slant height means this height is 10 meter. And this time we don't know this height. Now it is asking surface area. So surface area formula is lateral area plus base area. Lateral area for a cone is pi r L plus base area is pi r square. Now substitute the value. Pi times radius is 4, slant height is 10 plus pi r square is 4 square. Now that will be 4 times 10 is 40. 4 square is 16. It will give you 56 pi meter square. So your surface area is 56 pi meter square, right? Okay, let's try another question. In the next question, you have slant height of a cone with a diameter 8 meter. Okay, again the diameter is 8, so the radius will be 4. This is your diameter. Now surface area 200 meter square. So it is given that surface area is 200 meter square. It is asking slant height. So what is it asking? This time it is asking slant height. We need to find this. So how we will solve this? To solve this, we will use the formula S is equal lateral area plus base area. Now this time L plus B. So from here I got this, right? Now S is 200 equal pi times radius is 4 from here. Slant height I don't know, so keep it L. Let me use the same sign so you will not get confused. Pi 4 square. 200 equal 4 pi L plus 16 pi. 4 square is 16. Now how will you solve this? So you will do minus 16 pi minus 16 pi both side. That will be cancelled. 200 minus 16 pi. So now you will use the calculator. Now in this case, use the value of pi. Pi value is 3.14, right? So 200 minus 16 multiply 3.14, right? So when you will solve this, you will get 114.76 is equal 4 pi L. Just substitute the value of pi and you will get this one. Now you will do divide 4 pi both side. This is cancelled. So from here L equal 149.76 divide 4 pi. Solve this and you will get your answer in the meter. So 149.75 divide 4 times 3.14. Okay, let me just 149, 4 times 3.14 is 12.56, and that is 149.76 divide 12.56. So this will give you 11.92, approximately 11.92 meters. So your slant height will be how much? Your slant height will be 11.92 meter as your answer. So that's it for surface, lateral and surface area of a cone. Please watch the video again if you have doubt, and that will solve your doubts. Okay, so that's it for the video, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.